Hi everyone, welcome to Social Science E-Class. Here in this video we discuss about social science related chapters and topics. I am Lokesh Kellu, Assistant Teacher Social Science, Talented Girls Residential School, Nanjangud Town, Mysore District. Here I deliver my warm thanks to Social Science STF Karnataka Digital Group because in this video, I used to use the PPT and slides prepared by the Social Science STF Karnataka Digital Group. Once again, I deliver my sincere thanks to all the teachers and technicians who prepared these beautiful slides. Dear students, in these videos, we discuss about social related topics. I hope these are the videos helpful to your learning. Please watch the videos and observe carefully and make a notes yourself. And for next video notification, please press subscribe button. ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದಿನ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಗಾಗಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಗಾಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಬಟನ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Once again, welcome to Social Science E-Class. Let's go to the lessons. Dear students, in the previous video we discussed about water resource and irrigation, different types of irrigation and important rivers of India. Now let us discuss about the multi-purpose river valley project. Multi-purpose. The statement says we construct a dam across a river for different reasons, a different purpose. So that's the reason those projects are called multi-purpose river valley projects. ಬಹು ಉದ್ದೇಶದ ವಿವಿಧೋದ್ದೇಶ ನದಿ ಕಣಿವೆ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳು. So we construct dam and preserve water in reservoir and use through canals as irrigation to improve agriculture. What are the main objectives of or main aims of multi-purpose river valley projects? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ವಿವಿಧೋದ್ದೇಶ ನದಿ ಕಣಿವೆಯ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಗುರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಉದ್ದೇಶಗಳು ಏನು? Why we construct dams or why we construct these river valley projects? So it said multi-purpose. What are those purpose? Yes, the purpose, it provides water for irrigation. Yes, dams are constructed and the main purpose is irrigation. So it provides water for irrigation and it controls floods. Yes, we go to construct a dam across the rivers, a flood flowed river. So we want to control flood. We want to control flood. So we go to construct dam. And third one, to generate hydroelectricity. Yes, the another purpose is generate hydroelectricity. And fourth one, to prevent soil erosion. To prevent soil erosion. And the fifth one, to develop inland waterways and fishing. Inland waterways and fishing. And to provide recreation facilities. ಮನರಂಜನೆಗಾಗಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ದ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ and enjoy, so for the purpose of recreation and to provide water for domestic purpose and industries. Yes, domestic purpose and industry, and to reclaim land for agriculture. Yes, to provide irrigations to the barren land or dry land, and it should improve the agriculture. And another, afforestation, ಅರಣ್ಯೀಕರಣವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಮರು ಅರಣ್ಯೀಕರಣ. So these are the main objectives or aims of multi-purpose river valley project. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉದ್ದೇಶಗಳನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ನದಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಮೈನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಇರಿಗೇಷನ್, ನೀರಾವರಿ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸೊ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ all these purpose, all these aims we achieve. Yes, here in this video we discuss about some of the most important multi-purpose river valley projects in India. ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ನದಿ ಕಣಿವೆ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ಗಳು ಯಾವಿದೆ, ಯಾವ ನದಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲಾಗಿದೆ, which river it constructed and how much of irrigation facilities it provide, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಮಾಣದ ನೀರಾವರಿ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಇದು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Let's know about the important, most important multi-purpose river valley projects. The first one, Damodara River Valley projects. Yes. So Damodara River Valley projects, it is the first multi-purpose river valley project in our country. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಮೊದಲ ಒಂದು ನದಿ ಕಣಿವೆ ಯೋಜನೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So it has been designed on the lines of Tennessee Valley Authority in USA. So Tennessee Valley Authority USA company ಒಂದು multi-purpose river valley project ಅನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So this is the first multi-purpose river valley project. So keep in mind, so for your examination point of view, so they ask, so which is the first multi-purpose river valley project? Yes, it is Damodara River Valley project constructed on Damodara river. So why it construct, ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ನದಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲಾಯಿತು ದಾಮೋದರ ನದಿಗೆ? why? So because Damodar river was called a sorrow of Bengal, because so it was causing devastating floods during the rainy season and damaged craft and human settlement. Yes, in the rainy season, so this river is cause of heavy damages because of flood, devastating flood, ವಿನಾಶಕಾರಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರವಾಹ ಉಕ್ಕಿ ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರವಾಹದಿಂದಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆ ನಾಶ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಜನಜೀವನ ಅಸ್ತವ್ಯಸ್ತ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. That is the reason, so Government of India constructed dam across Damodara river. ಈ ನದಿಗೆ ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಲಾಯಿತು. So what we already know about in the aims of multi-purpose river valley project. So ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಏನು? So how? So it is the main aim to provide irrigation. The second, it control flood, yes, ಪ್ರವಾಹವನ್ನು ತಡೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. So which river is known as Sorrow of Bengal? Yes, it is river Damodar. And main aim of this projects, so what I already discussed, so almost it's repeated, you already know ಏನು ನೋಡಿದೀವಿ ಅದೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. To control flood, to provide irrigation, navigation, generation hydroelectricity, afforestation, control of soil erosion, promotion of mining industry and inland fishing and many others. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದಾಗಿ so ದಾಮೋದರ river valley projects ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣವನ್ನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. So this project has been jointly undertaken by the government of Bihar and West Bengal. Yes, Damodara River Valley project na so ಎರಡು ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು, so Bihar and West Bengal joint venture ನಲ್ಲಿ so ಈ ಒಂದು ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು across the river Damodara and its tributaries. So this project comprises of 4 dams. ಈ ನದಿಗೆ 4 ಕಡೆ ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಲಾಗಿದೆ. So those are Thilai, Konar, Maithon and Panchat Hill. So a barrage of Durgapur and 3 thermal power stations at Bhakaro, Durgapur and Chandrapur. So ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ನೀರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒದಗಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. So this project is a joint venture of government of Bihar and West Bengal. So there are 4 dams are constructed, 4 ಕಡೆ so ಈ ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಈ ನದಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Okay, so 3 thermal power stations, Bokaro, Durgapur and Chandra. Right, so this is the first river valley project, Damodara River Valley project. Thilai, Konar, Panchat Hill and Maithon. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. The second one, most important river valley project is Bhakra Nangal project. So it is a joint venture of state Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. So ಈ 3 ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಒಟ್ಟು ಸೇರಿ so ಈ Bhakra Nangal river valley project ಅನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. Okay, so this is project is comprised of 2 dams at Bhakaro and Nangal. ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ಈ ನದಿಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದ ರಿವರ್ ಸಟ್ಲೈಸ್ ನದಿಗೆ ಬಕಾರೋ ಅಂಡ್ ನಂಗಲ್ ಅನ್ನುವ ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅಟ್ ಹಿಮಾಚಲ್ ಪ್ರದೇಶ್ ಅಂಡ್ 4 ಪವರ್ ಹೌಸಸ್, 4 ಕಡೆ ಜಲವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಘರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಭಾಕ್ರಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಂಗಲ್, ಭಾಕ್ರಾ ಅಂಡ್ ನಂಗಲ್. right? The main aims of this project, again, flood control, irrigation facility, generation of hydroelectricity, prevention of soil erosion, promotion of afforestation, the main objectives. Yes, it is repeated. And Bhakra Dam is 226-meter high, and it is the highest gravity dam in India. Highest gravity dam in India. ಅತಿ ಎತ್ತರವಾದ ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ 226 ಮೀಟರ್ ಎತ್ತರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. Bhakra Dam. Bhakra Dam. So the reservoir created by the dam is called Gobinda Sagar. So another name is called Gobinda Sagar ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಜಲಾಶಯವನ್ನ ಕರೆಯಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. So Bhakra Dam is highest gravity dam in India. ಭಾರತದ ಅತಿ ಎತ್ತರವಾದ ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Another name is Gobinda Sagara. Okay. The next one, Hirakud projects. Hirakud River Valley project. So it is the most important multi-purpose river valley project in Odisha. Odisha ಅತಿ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು river valley project, Hirakud project. So it constructed on the river across river Mahanadi. Across river Mahanadi project comprised the construction 3 dams on river Mahanadi at Hirakud and Tikrapara and Naruj. So it also 2 hydro power stations. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಜಲವಿದ್ಯುತ್ಗಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. So Hirakud project dam constructed across river Mahanadi. ಮಹಾನದಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡಲಾಗಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಮ್. Okay, so 3 ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ. So there is Hirakud and Tikrapara and Naruj, and 2 hydro power stations. So Hirakud, it is the longest dam in India. What? Last we know that the highest gravity dam, Bhakra. So Hirakud, it is the longest dam. ಅತಿ ಉದ್ದವಾದ ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರೀತೇವೆ. ಅತಿ ಉದ್ದವಾದ ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟೆ, highest dam. So the main aim of this, again, flood control, the provision of irrigation facility, hydroelectric power generation, and also provide transport by inland waterways, fishing and afforestation. So these are the main objectives or aims of Hirakud River Valley project. So it is the longest river valley project. The other important river valley project is Tungabhadra River Valley project. Yes, it is in Karnataka. It's a joint venture of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh ಮತ್ತು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. At the main aim, again, provide irrigation, generation of hydropower and inland fishing, and capacity of dam in the 3 hydropower houses. So this dam constructed across river Tungabhadra at near Hospete, Ballari district in Karnataka. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಬಳ್ಳಾರಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. So Tungabhadra River Valley project. So this is the Tungabhadra River Valley project. Okay. So this dam has constructed across the river Tungabhadra, so on tributaries of Krishna at Mallapuram near Hospete in Ballari district. So this reserve we are created by. So this dam is called Pampa Sagara. The name of this reserve is Pampa Sagara. Keep in mind, it is very important for your examination point of view. And map locations also. The next one, Upper Krishna projects. Krishna Meldande Yojana. So it is the biggest multi-purpose river valley project in North Karnataka. Uttar Karnataka ಅತಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಒಂದು ಜಲಾಶಯ ಅಥವಾ ನದಿ ಕಣಿವೆ ಯೋಜನೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So this Upper Krishna project constructed across river Krishna. So ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನದಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡಲಾಗಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. So at ಆಲಮಟ್ಟಿ. Okay, ಆಲಮಟ್ಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಲಾಗಿದೆ. So the next second one in Narayanpura dam. ಆಲಮಟ್ಟಿ and Narayanpura. So the comprise of 2 dams, namely Alamatti and Narayanpura. So hydro power houses also there. The main object, that is the project, provide irrigation, drinking water and generation of hydro electricity. So ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಗುರಿ ಉದ್ದೇಶಗಳನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. So Alamatti Dam is constructed near Alamatti village in Basavana Bagewadi Taluk. This is Alamatti Water Reservoir. So it's also known as Lal Bahadur Shastri Water Reservoir. Another Narayanpura Dam is located near Siddhapura village in Muddebihal Taluk of Vijaypura district. This is Narayanpura Dam. So there are two dams constructed across river Krishna, Karnataka. And Bagalkote, Bijapura, Kalburgi, Yadgiri and part of Belagavi districts have benefit of this projects. The another Kosi River Valley project. Kosi River Valley project. So it is an international project and a joint venture of India and Nepal. Yes. So Nepal ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಎರಡೂ ದೇಶದ ಒಂದು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಸಿ ನದಿಗೆ ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. It's an international joint venture. So constructed across Kosi River. A dam is built across the river Kosi near Hanuman Nagar in Nepal. Hanuman Nagar in Nepal. ಭಾರತ ಮತ್ತು ನೇಪಾಳದ ಒಂದು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಆಗಿದೆ. Okay. So the main objective again, so there is to provide irrigation and flood control, hydropower generation and fishing. So the project has been executed by India, so but the benefit are shared both of India and Nepal. So ಇಡೀ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟಿನ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯವೈಖರಿಯನ್ನು ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಇದರಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎರಡೂ ದೇಶಗಳು ಹಂಚಿಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೈಡ್ರೋ electricity so India, Nepal both equally share. And another, the Rihand Valley projects. Rihand in Jharkhand, Rihand Valley project. So this is the most important multi-purpose river valley projects in Uttar Pradesh. So built across Rihand river and tributary of Son Nadi tributary. So Rihand Nadiye ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. So there is another important river valley project. So the purpose is again flood control, prevention of soil erosion, inland fishing and providing irrigation, power generation are the main aims of Rihand Valley projects. Rihand Valley project ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ಗುರಿ ಉದ್ದೇಶಗಳನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಆದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಮ್. So this reservoir created by this dam is called Gobinda Balaban Sagar. Gobind Balaba Sagar ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. Okay, the water reservoir, the name Gobind Balapanta Sagar. So the constructed Rihand Valley. And the Nagarjuna Sagara River Valley project. Nagarjuna Sagara. So it is built across the river Krishna near Nagarjuna Konda in Telangana. Nagarjuna Konda in Telangana. Okay, so the another dam constructed across river Krishna ನದಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. So the purpose, irrigation, power generation, the main objectives. So this is the Nagarjuna River Valley projects of Nagarjuna Konda, so in Telangana. Okay, across the river Krishna. So these are the main river valley projects. Main river valley projects. So some other, so you people are in our surrounding, you people are seen many dams are constructed across the rivers, tributary and other rivers. So all the river valley projects, the purpose it is irrigation, fishing and hydropower generation, control flood, control soil, etc., etc., etc. So these are the multi-purposes. Yes, let's know about what you learned from this video. Yes, the India's multi-purpose, the first Indian multi-purpose river valley project. Yes, what is the first Indian multi-purpose river valley project? Yes, it is Damodara River Valley project. Second one, so river Damodara was called as Star of Bengal. The next one, dance is the joint venture of India and Nepal. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಅಣೆಕಟ್ಟೆ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ನೇಪಾಳದ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? Yes, it is Kosi project. And which is the biggest multi-purpose river valley projects? Biggest of North Karnataka. So there is Upper Krishna projects. And what are the main objectives of multi-purpose river valley projects? It's the most important questions repeatedly asked in examinations. Keep in mind. So once again, I explain. So the main purpose to provide water for irrigation, to control flood, and to generate hydroelectricity, and to prevent soil erosion, and develop inland waterways and fishing, and to provide recreation facilities, and to reclaim land for agriculture. Last one, afforestation. So these are the main objectives of multi-purpose river valley projects. So keep in mind in examinations, so these multi-purpose river valley projects ask an objective type question or 1 mark question or in map questions. Map questions. So keep in mind the different name of Tungabhadra River Valley Pampa Sagara, and Bakra, that is Govinda Sagara, and Rihan, that is Govinda Balaban Sagar. So like this, so you keep the different name and special features of that. The highest dam Bakra and longest dam, that is the Hirakud River Valley projects. So this is the water resources. Water resources. I hope you understand and keep in mind.